Discover the evolution of ChatGPT. In this video, we'll delve into the fascinating journey of ChatGPT, a groundbreaking AI chatbot that has revolutionized natural language understanding and generation. Content creation. ChatGPT engages in lifelike conversations, offering responses that mirror human communication, fostering meaningful and coherent interactions. This versatile AI excels across diverse content types, crafting articles, narratives, and code snippets with ease. ChatGPT demonstrates exceptional proficiency in swiftly summarizing extensive texts, condensing lengthy documents into concise, well-structured summaries. Education and learning. ChatGPT acts as an educational companion, extending aid and elucidation across diverse subjects. It proves especially beneficial for students seeking clarity and academic guidance. In the realm of coding and programming, ChatGPT stands as a valuable asset. It extends support, proposes ideas, and furnishes code examples, thus proving itself a useful ally for programmers. Collaborating with users, ChatGPT serves as a catalyst for creativity, facilitating idea generation and solution brainstorming. As a tutor, ChatGPT offers step-by-step guidance and tutorials on various subjects. Whether one is acquiring a new skill or mastering a particular subject, ChatGPT stands ready to provide structured assistance. Entertainment and creativity. ChatGPT excels in generating witty and creative text for memes, elevating their humor and entertainment value. ChatGPT empowers users to craft and partake in text-based games and quizzes, delivering entertainment and engagement. It boasts support for interactive storytelling, trivia quizzes, and a diverse array of text-based games, establishing itself as a versatile recreational tool. ChatGPT possesses the capability to create music compositions and lyrics through the interpretation of music-related prompts. For data professionals, presenters, and individuals seeking to enhance data visualization, ChatGPT offers valuable assistance. It guides users in crafting visual representations of data through charts, graphs, and other visual aids, thereby enriching the process of data visualization. Productivity and organization. ChatGPT streamlines email and report creation by autonomously generating essential content. Users input details, and ChatGPT promptly generates text, enhancing the efficiency and convenience of this time-consuming task. Utilizing ChatGPT, users can streamline their task management. Users define tasks and deadlines, and ChatGPT generates well-structured lists with reminders, fostering organization and task completion. With ChatGPT, users have the flexibility to personalize chat log names, simplifying conversation organization. Users assign meaningful names to various chats, projects, or discussions, streamlining the process of locating specific conversations and maintaining an organized archive. Enhanced interactions. Users can prompt ChatGPT to clarify responses, ensuring the AI understands the context and details, leading to more accurate and relevant answers. Users can direct ChatGPT to simplify explanations of complex subjects, aiding in making intricate topics understandable, be it for education or simplifying technical content. ChatGPT can be guided to offer concise responses, enhancing communication efficiency and maintaining clear and straightforward conversations. Advanced features and customization. Subscribing to ChatGPT Plus unlocks premium features, enriching the overall ChatGPT experience for users. Users can amplify ChatGPT's capabilities by seamlessly integrating additional plugins, customizing functionality to suit their specific needs. ChatGPT empowers users to create templates for frequently executed tasks, streamlining and simplifying repetitive processes. Utilizing ChatGPT, users can foster discussions and mediate conflicts through its impartial and neutral input. ChatGPT doubles as a digital journal or diary, enabling users to document thoughts, experiences, and memories. Users have the ability to export chat conversations for archiving or in-depth analysis, simplifying the process of reviewing and referencing prior interactions. ChatGPT aids in ensuring content originality by offering insights and conducting plagiarism checks, bolstering authenticity. Summary: ChatGPT is a valuable asset across various domains like content creation, education and learning, entertainment and creativity, productivity and organization, enhanced interaction and many more. If you've enjoyed this video, consider subscribing, giving it a thumbs up, and sharing it with others.